Good morning. Once again, welcome back to the class of Standard 3rd, subject GK. So, today we will start our next lesson, lesson number 9. How do people travel? Let's see the introduction. Countries across the world use different means of transport. Some of them are similar to the types of transport we have in India. Let's see. You can see this image, this transport, different types of transport. So name the type of transport. So we have to write the name, this type of transport. So first one, you must have seen one or already had a ride in one. These buses have two levels. How many levels? Two levels, and are common in some cities of India like Mumbai. So it is called a dash bus. So you can see this image. So this is the double decker bus. So here in this dash you have to write the spelling of double decker, DOUBLE, double, then decker, DECKER. So double decker bus. You can see this is the image of double decker bus. Then next, this is a popular means of public transport in countries to have a lot of water canals. You can see them in New York City, London, Auckland, Dubai and Bangkok. It is known as, you can see, it is known as water taxi. You can see them. You can see this in New York City, London, Auckland, Dubai and Bangkok is as a public transport. So here known as water taxi. So write here WATERTAXI, water taxi. You can see this is the image of water taxi. Next, in Bangkok to ease traffic congestion, the rapid transit rail system has been elevated. It is called SkyTrain. So write here SKYTRAIN. So this SkyTrain, you can see this is the image of SkyTrain in Bangkok. And this is also rapid transit rail system. Then next, this is a taxi that allows one or more passengers as a pillar rider. In India, it is commonly seen in Goa. It is called a motorcycle taxi. So here write the image of motorcycle taxi, MOTORCYCLE, motorcycle taxi, TAXI. And this, it is commonly seen in where? In Goa. You can see this is the image of motorcycle taxi. The next, this single rail is a track for vehicles with wheels. You can see it in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It is called, that is, monorail, single rail track. So here write monorail, MONORAIL, and you can see this monorail in where? Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. You can see this is the image of monorail. This is single rail track. You can see single rail track. The next, in Venice, this traditional rowing boat is used as a means of water transport. Where? In the Venice. And this is the traditional boat as a means of water transport. So it is called gondola. GONDOLA. You can see this is the image of gondola. This is traditional rowing boat. See. So you can see this is the image of gondolas as a water as a means of water transport. And this is a traditional rowing boat. The next, this is the famous high-speed train of Japan. It is called bullet train. So write here spelling of bullet train, BULLET-TRAIN. So this is the famous high-speed train of Japan, bullet train. So you can see this is the image of bullet train, and this is very famous high-speed train of Japan. So here lesson number 9, how do people travel, that is over. How to write this one in your fair book, so I will send in the PDF. So like that you can write in your fair book. Okay, thank you.